10 health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds, although small, are packed with powerful nutrients that can significantly improve your health. These tiny seeds, from the plant Salvia hispanica, are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to any diet. Here are 10 health benefits of chia seeds that you should know. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically Alabama. These fats help support heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving overall cardiovascular function. 2. Aids digestion. The high fiber content in chia seeds promotes good digestion. They absorb water and form a gel-like substance, helping to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. 3. Helps with weight loss. Chia seeds expand in your stomach and help you feel full longer. This helps control hunger and prevents overeating. Their fiber also stabilizes blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings. 4. Packed with antioxidants. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help keep your skin healthy and combat signs of aging. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Chia seeds help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can be especially beneficial for those managing type 2 diabetes. 6. Strengthens bones. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to bone health. They provide a great plant-based alternative to dairy for stronger bones. 7. Supports heart health. The omega-3s in chia seeds help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also help control blood pressure and inflammation. 8. Keeps you hydrated. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When consumed with liquids, they help keep you hydrated, which is especially beneficial during physical activity. 9. Aids muscle recovery. The protein and essential amino acids in chia seeds help repair muscles after exercise. They also reduce soreness and replenish lost nutrients. 10. Improves skin health. The antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and hydration from chia seeds contribute to healthier, glowing skin, reducing acne and irritation. Chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, from improving digestion and skin health to supporting heart and bone strength. Adding them to your diet is an easy way to enhance your overall health. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.